Hi, this is Keita with the Keita Essential Life. Thanks for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks. Welcome to my celebration for the birth of Christ. This is my Christmas table. This is a Corona Chronicles DIY seasonal video showing you how I create nice table settings with very little expense. You just saw me lift up a solar bell that had the power pack for the multicolored bulb lights that I got from the dollar store that are stringed along the table runner. I gave height by putting that poinsettia, which was $1, on top of a Christmas box that was already decorated. Had the little bird cage with the tea light right there. I normally host somewhere between 8 and 12 people, so with just the three of us, I still wanted it to be very nice for my family. These are some stills of the table, and you can see the place settings and how I mix my nicer pieces with dollar store pieces to make it nice for just the three of us. Well, since you are here with me, I'm going to also share what we had for Christmas dinner. That is our menu. Jesus is the reason for the season. I had some honey butter, some stuffed leg of lamb, dinner rolls, mac and cheese, Cornish hen with veggies, stuffing, collard greens, gravy, rice, and homemade cranberry sauce. And here's my dessert buffet with banana pudding made with chestnut cookies and strawberries, as well as bananas, chocolate cake, my apple butter sweet potato pie, and apple pie with ice cream. If you're interested in any of those recipes or have any questions about how I put the table together and things you see on the table, especially the dinner table, just let me know in the comments and I will answer your questions. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for stopping by the Key Essential Life.